everyone, this is Sherry with Bag Lady Studios.
Hey, do you remember 20-something years ago? Those cold nights in December and the sound of the falling snow.
I just wanted to do this video to kind of introduce you to who I am, what I plan to do on this channel, and you know, any other fun things that might pop into my head, because you know I'm kind of like that. So like I said, my name is Sherry. I live in an RV. You might be able to tell by the surroundings. This channel is all about sewing, crafting, making bags, how I do this in a small space. I hope in the future to be able to not only do sew along tutorials of patterns I purchase, but also of maybe some patterns I create. And then at some point in the very near future, I will be doing bags of the month, where you can pay a subscription fee and you can get a bag every month. It will be a seasonal, one-of-a-kind bag with special fabrics that I pick out. So you can get a bag and you'll get little goodies with it. I also plan on doing patterns, and when I do the patterns, I want to sell patterns that you can print, so you can download and print them yourself. And I also want to sell kits, where that way you get all of the supplies needed for that pattern, because there's nothing worse than seeing a cute purse and seeing the pattern and you go, oh, I want to make that, and then you open it up and it's like, oh, I need a D-ring and I need a swivel hook and I need a zipper and I need, yeah, been there, done that. It's a pain in the rear end, because then you have to go and order and then you wait and then you kind of lose your sewing mojo. So I don't want you to lose your sewing mojo. So we will tackle some of these things together. Hopefully these pattern kits will be offered for sale soon. But I just wanted to give you a little video to show you who I am, where I live at. Right now I am sewing in a camper. That's a brand new machine. Video to come. But I also have a new thing that we are putting together that will be coming up soon, but it's a cargo trailer, and I'm going to be converting that into a sewing and painting studio, along with some really other cool things we're going to do with that. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit like, make sure you hit that bell, so that way you know when this next video comes out. It was great to meet you, and I look forward to creating things with you. Have a wonderful day.